Hi guys, John Fox from Global Magic Shop. Welcome to the channel. If you haven't already subscribed and you're new, please hit the like and subscribe button and notifications. This is a quick review on Bizarre Assembly by Daryl and Murphy's Magic.
Everybody knows that the coin matrix is one of the most difficult routines to perform in coin magic. Now you can receive the same payoff but with minimal effort. You know what you get in packs of cards that everyone throws away? So we're going to use some jokers. So if everyone can hold one hand out for me, that'd be great. I'll move those. Amazing. Perfect. So joker number one, in fact you get to hold on something. Can you put your other hand on top? Perfect. Joker number two, number three, yeah, you can put your hand on them as well. And joker number four goes on there. We don't need these ones really, they're just spares, okay? So the aim of the game is going to make the jokers vanish and appear in one place. Yeah, it just got real. All right, you ready?
Ooh, I felt it.
Did the joker vanish? Okay, well I did say the jokers were going to vanish. I didn't say the playing card was going to vanish. So if the joker's gone from here, the joker's gone from here, and the joker's gone from here, hopefully they've all found their friends on one playing card. Four jokers are handed out to your spectators. They can sandwich them between their hands. Upon your command, you make three of the jokers vanish from their cards and appear on the fourth and final card, leaving four impossible objects that your spectators can check out.
That joker's gone. This joker's gone. This joker has vanished as well. Where, oh where could the missing jokers be? Oh, as promised, they have all joined the leader.
This is one of my favourites of Daryl's classic routines. This is Bizarre Assembly.
Hi guys, so that was the trailer for Bizarre Assembly, and this is by Murphy's Magic and Daryl. It's part of the Daryl Legacy series that Murphy's are producing. So what do you get inside here? Well, you open the flap up and you get the online link with password to the instructions. You also get the original Daryl instructions which are written down, and all the gimmicks that you require to do this. It's just over 18 minutes of instructional video with Mark Lavelle presenting it. You also get a performance of Daryl doing this. There's no explanation of Daryl's performance, but you just get Daryl's performance, which is pretty cool. It can be done in the spectator's hands or on the table. It's however you want to use it. It does state that it's fully examinable, which everything is fully examinable. Not at the beginning, but when you end clean. Everything can genuinely be held either by the spectator or on the table, but it is all fully examinable. The gaffs and the cards that you receive are printed on USPCC playing card stock, which is the bicycle. Now, is it worth the money? I think it's around 26, 27 Australian dollars, and I genuinely think it is worth the money. The skill level on this is what's interesting. You can basically do this with absolutely no skill whatsoever, or you can use skill. So you'll see in the trailer that Mark Lavelle, and even on his instructional video, will show you moves to use different kinds of sleights. On Daryl's performance, you basically don't need any sleights whatsoever. So this can be a nigh on, well, pretty much a self-working trick to, if you want to advance yourself and start playing with moves, you can also use particular moves that are taught on this video, and they're reasonably easy to do, but it gives you the option, which I think is pretty cool. Guys, I think this is pretty cool. I've got to tell you, I'm probably not going to use it myself, purely because it doesn't suit my performing style, but that being said, I still think it's worth the money for what you get. If you like what you see, you're not going to be disappointed. The quality, everything is, as you would expect, really, really good from Murphy's. So, guys, that is Bizarre Assembly by Daryl and Murphy's Magic. Thank you very much. Stay safe, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Hi guys, so this is a quick performance of Bizarre Assembly by Daryl. It just uses a couple of jokers. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 jokers. We only actually need 1, 2, 3, 4 jokers. We don't need the rest of them, we'll just lay those there. If you could just put your hand on top of there, perfect. Now what we're going to do, it's really easy. We're going to take these 3 jokers and make them join the card that's under your hand. It's very, very simple. What we do is go like this. Did you feel anything? Well, as if by magic, all those jokers have disappeared completely and joined, if you lift up your hand, the leader joker. That, guys, is Bizarre Assembly by Daryl. So guys, this is just a little bit of an extra piece. I actually just thought I'd throw a quick video together with a quick performance piece. It's nothing special, it's nothing great, but I just thought I would have a play with it. There is a count on here that's not on there called the Hammond count, which I started off with, and then I move on to another count that is taught on there. You don't have to, but I just thought, what do you think? It's pretty cool. Bizarre Assembly.